Hi there, I'm Becca from Motor Match Chester and I'm going to be taking you around one of our approved used vehicles. This is the Audi A1 Sport Sportback. It's a 2016 model coming with the 1.6 litre diesel engine and manual transmission. The car comes from two previous owners and boasts 74,000 miles on the clock. It also comes with a full dealership service history, with the last completed at 60,000 miles. The car is finished in the stunning shell white gloss paintwork, and some of the key exterior features include your 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The car offers the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors with integrated indicators, and then you do have the halogen headlights with daytime running lights. Heading into the boot space of the A1 here, you can see we've got a really good amount of room for a city car such as this. You can also fold your rear seats down to provide extra space if needed. Into the rear seats themselves, this 5-door model boasts 3 rear seats, so you've got plenty of room for your passengers. Into the driver's interior, you've got the controls for your windows and door mirrors on the door card, got a 3-spoke sports steering wheel, along with sports seating in the front with that full cloth upholstery. Now, your steering wheel is multifunction. On the left hand side you will find the controls for your driver information screen, and on the right you've got your media and telephone controls. Taking a look up at the dials, you've got your exact mileage on screen there for you. You can also flick through the screens and take a look at your media features and make adjustments to these while driving. Moving across to your media screen itself, I'll run through some of the features on here with you. Under the car tab you can access Audi Drive Select, which offers 3 driving modes for you to choose from, so you get a more custom driving experience. Under the telephone tab you can connect your devices via Bluetooth to make and take phone calls safely on the go. The car offers the traffic information, which is streamed from the selected radio station, and the car does also offer the navigation preparation. However, you would have to get this enabled by an Audi dealer. In terms of music, you can stream via Bluetooth or the Audi Music interface. You can also insert CDs and SD cards, or of course you can access DAB, FM and medium wave radio. Got plenty of preloaded stations available there. Moving it down from the media screen, you will find all of the shortcut buttons for the screen itself, very nice and easy to use there. The car also offers full air conditioning to keep you nice and comfortable. Below there you'll find your 12-volt socket and your 2 cup holders, and then you will see your 5-speed manual gear stick and your manual handbrake. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon here at Motor Match Chester.